In this video we are talking about if ELROND can continue his bullish explosion to the upside or if we see a retracement to the downside. As you can see, ELROND is exploding right now and we are seeing this massive weekly candle, which is a very bullish sign. And on the daily chart you can see that we were in this supply zone right now and we got rejection multiple times here in this supply zone. And in the last video I said if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside, that then the chance is very high that we see a bullish explosion. And I said if we are coming back into this demand zone and if we see a bullish reaction right here, that I will then search for an entry right here and then hodl it into the next highs. I will show you now the clip from the last video. But the more often you will test this zone right here, the higher the chances that we are breaking now to the upside. Because we are testing this zone for the 4th time, so the chance is really high that we see this bullish explosion. And if you are not in the market right now, I would wait if we are coming back into this demand zone. And if we are seeing a bullish sign on the smaller time frame in this demand zone, then I would search for longs here, enter a trade and hodl it into the next highs. And as you can see, we came back into this demand zone and we made lower lows all the way. And after we grabbed under this low, then came again over this demand zone. And as we saw the break of structure right here, so we took out the last high which caused the lowest low. So we turned on a bullish order flow on the hourly candles and that was the bullish sign. And after that we saw another retest and then exploded to the upside. And then we saw this explosion and moved over this last highs and this supply zone. And then we continued the trend to the upside. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on ELROND. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like ELROND, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. So right now I think the chance is very high that we see another bullish explosion, because as you can see we saw the strong upward momentum. So the chance is high that institutions came here into the market and pushed this price higher. And as long as we don't break this last demand zone right here, where the beginning was of this bullish explosion, then I think the chance is high that we can see higher prices. Because also we are in this bigger supply zone, so the chance that we see a reaction is there. But as I said, I think the chance is high that we continue the bullish trend. So if we are seeing a down move right here, but if we are not seeing this close, then I'm more bullish on the long term. And if you're not in a trade right now, I would wait if we come back into these prices. And if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would search for another long entry right here and hodl it to the next highs. And also if we are looking at the weekly chart, it's looking really bullish because we are seeing this momentum to the upside. And right now it will decide if we are breaking over this supply zone or not. And if we see a daily or weekly body close over this supply zone, then I think the chance is very high that the real explosion for ELROND is just begun. But if anything interesting happens for ELROND, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on ELROND. So all in all, we are seeing this bullish momentum to the upside right now. And in the last video I said if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside, that we then see higher prices. And then we came back into this demand zone where we found some good entry zones. So congrats again to everybody who took a trade here on ELROND. And with this bullish explosion, we also came into the supply zone. Of course, the chances there that we see a reaction from the supply zone, but I think the chances high that we can continue the bullish structure. So if we are seeing a retracement right here, I would wait if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame and then search for long entries and enter a trade and hodl it into the next highs. And if we are breaking this supply zone, then I think the chances is high that the real explosion just begun. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.